Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Corso di Tromba. Today we will explore the remarkable progression one can achieve in playing the trumpet, comparing 1 minute of practice to a decade of consistent efforts. Before starting, if you are new to this YouTube channel, all what you have to know is that we are gonna talk about trumpet and the trumpet world. And if you already are a subscriber, if you want to ask me anything, just feel free to comment the video down here. Enjoy the video. So let's start with the first 60 seconds. In this case, I don't have a video of mine because I really didn't know what I was doing at that age. It was more than 15 years ago. But what I can tell you is that usually when you start out, you just start with a very small step that is buzzing. It's a very little skill that you have to develop, but it's a crucial one in laying the foundation for your trumpet journey. And now fast forward to one day. You will be amazed at how quickly you can progress. After this short span, you will have learned how to produce a beautiful sustained long note. The journey has just begun. And then what happened after just 1 week? Well, basically you will have added more notes to your lips. You will play confidently the first 7 notes, setting the stage for more complex melodies. As we approach the 4th month mark, you will be able to complete the first octave. It's a substantial achievement that opens the door to a broader range of musical possibilities, of course. Before going on, I would like to remind you that, for example, in my case, when I started playing the trumpet, it was between 2005 and 2006. I was almost 11 years old, but it was already 2 years that I was learning the music theory. It means how to read the music, how to play with the correct pitch, like how to sing with the correct pitch. So eventually the whole process of learning the trumpet was much easier because I already had a music theory background for at least 2 years, so it was easier. And what does it happen after a couple of months that you are playing the trumpet, that you are practicing every day? Well, probably you will start learning the chromatic scale. Why the chromatic one? Well, because actually it's the easier one to learn, because the intervals are always the same, half tone. The agility and versatility you gain during this time are crucial elements in your trumpet journey. Fast forward to 6 months and you will be playing Happy Birthday. It's usually a song that everybody knows, and it's also a joyful moment, and well, you want to celebrate your victory, so why not? Let's start with Happy Birthday. After just 1 year of consistent and dedicated practice, you will be able to play your first tune. It's the achievement you deserve for your commitment. It will probably be a very easy melody, but this will allow you to improve your musical expression, your creativity, and this will allow you to learn also dynamics and also articulation that you will master later on. And eventually, at the 2 years mark, you will finally master the beauty of dynamics and articulations in your playing. Yes, the melodies will probably be not that difficult, but at least you will really enjoy doing music. Your trumpet skills will have evolved into a more nuanced and expressive form. And now that's already 3 years into the trumpet world. After 3 years, you will probably confidently play the high G. You experience a progressive improvement of your range and control. This will motivate you to practice more and to challenge yourself even more. For example, in my case, I still remember I was playing What a Wonderful World at my 3rd year of practicing, and I played it in a public concert for the schools. And now, at the 4-year milestone, you will probably play something like this one that you are hearing now. This is an example of an urban exercise from the urban book, and this marks a turning point into your technical proficiency. After just 4 years, if everything is going well, you will already be able to play many pieces, many songs as a professional player, at least from a technical point of view. And then finally, after 5 years, as you are hearing now, you will probably start playing some sonatas. A sonata is a very specific composition, and usually they are very good in order to improve your trumpet skills. After 6 years, you will probably start to be able to have some multitasking skills, such, for example, be able to playing the piano together with the trumpet, or you want to maybe explore some different instruments, like you want to learn more about, in my case, the piano or the guitar or the drums, like I did it, for example. After 7 years of practicing, you will probably have just finished your bachelor degree. So you will be already able to play pieces like this one. After 8 years of practicing, you will probably be a master degree student, or you will already have finished even your master degree. Or maybe, if you are very good in playing the trumpet, you will be already playing the hidden trumpet concerto. After 9 years, you will probably be able to also practice some other instruments like the piccolo trumpet, the German trumpet, or any other kind of trumpets that exist, because you want to learn more and you have now the right proficiency to play different kind of trumpets. And so you will be also able to, for example, play another trumpet, not just the B-flat trumpet, but the C trumpet or the E-flat trumpet.
Che figa.
Finally, after a decade of continuous growth, you will finally see the results of your efforts. At the 10-year mark, you can start playing anything necessary for professional performances. Indeed, after 10 years, you will already have some experience in professional orchestras or ensemble or big bands. For example, in my case, in order to be able to perform this piece, this etude, that is the number 2 of Charlier, and if you are an advanced trumpet player, you already know this piece, well, I needed 12 years in order to be able to play it like this. Well, for today this video is over. Thank you very much for joining me in this very short but actually very long journey through the evolution of trumpet mastery. Remember that every minute of practice every day is very important to grow as a professional musician. Whether you are just starting out now and you are an absolute beginner, or maybe you are an advanced trumpet player or already a professional one, I hope that with this video I gave you some extra motivation. If you have a dream, if you want to become a professional trumpet player, well, you have to fight for it. The joy of being a musician, of sharing emotions with the audience, with people in general, with friends, to play with other musicians, it's an ongoing journey that will never stop. It's an ongoing journey. Every day you have to practice for that. If you are a beginner trumpet player, I wish you all the best. Enjoy the journey because it will be very long and you will be actually very grateful of this journey. It will teach you a lot. And if you are already a professional one, well, congratulations, you did it. Keep practicing, keep playing and let the music flow into your life. Bye. Ciao.